In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted page in Confluence. If you've ever deleted a page by mistake, don't worry. Confluence keeps those pages in a space-level trash so you can bring them back. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the space where the page was deleted. This is important because each space has its own trash. You won't find a deleted page from one space inside another. Use the sidebar or your recent spaces list to make sure you're in the correct place. Once you're in the right space, head to Space Settings. Depending on your Confluence version and theme, you'll usually find this near the bottom of the left sidebar under the space name or in a settings menu within the space. If you don't see space settings, you may not have the required permissions in that space. Inside space settings, look for trash or deleted pages. The label can vary slightly, but it refers to the same area that holds content removed from the space. Keep in mind that organizations sometimes set retention periods, so very old deletions may no longer appear here. In the trash, locate the page you want to recover. You can sort or scan by title and deletion date to find the right one, especially if there are multiple versions with similar names. Clicking the page title will let you preview key details so you can confirm it's the correct page, including where it used to live in the page tree. When you're sure, click Restore. Confluence will prepare to return the page to its original location, including its contents, labels, and usually its child pages and attachments. If anything has changed in that location, Confluence will prompt you with the best available option. Next, confirm the restore action. This confirmation helps prevent accidental recoveries and applies any final choices you made during the prompt. The restore runs quickly in most cases. Finally, go back to the page tree and verify that the page is available again. Expand the parent if needed and refresh the sidebar if you don't see it right away. Open the page to make sure the content renders correctly, links resolve as expected, and any attachments display. If you're using analytics or labels, make sure they look intact as well. That's it. You've successfully restored a deleted Confluence page, all within the space's own trash. If you found this helpful, you're now ready to recover content confidently whenever it's removed by mistake.